inside, don't be shy. Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas. The trailer park way, with a brand new recipe every day. Sending videos from her trailer. Yeah. She's Jolene Sugarbaker. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the trailer park way. Merry trailer park Christmas.
Trailer park Christmas.
Merry trailer park Christmas. Hooray!
Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen. And welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen. And welcome to Trailer Park Christmas 2019, where I'm showing you how the trailer park celebrates the holiday. Well, I have a calendar that I'm keeping track of all this madness that I do this time of year. I do a video every day until the 25th, and I see today that this one is perfect for brunch, and this one is called Gimme a Quiche. It's actually a fancy quiche that you can do yourself, and it's actually Dijon chicken flavor. So I know y'all don't get up early, so this one's perfect for a little later in the day. Or early if some of y'all get up early. I don't know about you, but I do like to sleep in. It's so simple to make. It's very easy, and a prepared actual pie crust. Don't tell anyone. They'll think you made it. But it's my Dijon chicken quiche up next on Trailer Park Christmas 2019. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Making my Dijon chicken quiche is really simple, and I've got a bowl here with 6 eggs, and you can certainly spice this up to your liking. You can take out the Dijon and maybe add a different kind of sauce. You can certainly add your own spices too, but I'm adding about a tablespoon of Dijon right on into the eggs like that, and I'm gonna whip these up, and I'll check back with you in just a moment. Okay, now that I've got the eggs all together, I'm going to add a ½ cup of milk right on into the eggs, just like that. And I have a can of cream of chicken soup. Now, you could use cream of mushroom if that is what you like, or maybe cream of celery if that's what you like too, but that's not what I like. So I'm going to use cream of chicken. Now this is your chance to add a little bit of spice. I'm adding some pepper here, and I'm going to add just a dash of some garlic powder there. Ooh, maybe a little bit more with that. And just some regular spices that I like to use in a lot of other things that I think will be good in this quiche. And I'm just going to whip this up and check back with you in just a moment. Next up, I have a prepared pie crust here. It was frozen, and I just thawed it out in the refrigerator. And I've got a can of pre-cooked chicken. How easy is that? I'm just going to spread it out in the bottom here so that it's well distributed. There we go. And I've got the egg mixture, and I'm just going to pour it in very carefully right there. And you don't want to overflow it. It might be that you get more than one out of it. And I've got a ½ cup of Parmesan cheese, and you can certainly use any kind of other cheese, but this is really a quiche style cheese. And we're just going to pop that right up there on top, and we're going to preheat the oven. It actually is already preheated at 400, and we're going to bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice and firm and ready to go. So I'll check back with you in just a moment, so set your timer. And there you have it, my Dijon chicken quiche. And the trailer park is falling apart, so I'll be right back. And there you have it, my Dijon chicken quiche. And look at that. We look like we really knew what we were doing in the kitchen. And you can too at home. Especially on brunch, you've got people staying over and you need to fix something fast. And just some Dijon mustard, we only needed about a little bit of pack. You could take that from some fast food restaurant. But we used the canned chicken, and if you were snowed in, that would be perfect too. And it just took 6 eggs and a frozen pie shell, and I'm tired of talking about it, so let me see what this tastes like. That is good enough for dinner. The Parmesan cheese just rounds out that chicken flavor, and maybe some pimiento peppers would really pep this up too. I'll be excited to hear what you're going to add to your quiche. Leave a comment down at the bottom, but I hope you get a chance to make my Dijon chicken quiche, and if you do, leave a comment down at the bottom. Send me pictures at jolenesugarbaker@gmail.com. Don't forget to follow me all over the place. I'm on that Pinterest, I'm on that Instagram, Facebook, and of course download the free calendar here it is. The calendar on trailerparkchristmas.com so you can follow along, because I see tomorrow there's a 1-pan dinner bake. You need to turn in for that. I can't wait to spend more of the holidays with you. I'm Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen. I'll see you back tomorrow. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow.